Yeah, good morning, guys. Joe here with the Black Rock Central Railroad with an answer to Ian from the Chattanooga Southern Railroad. Put out a challenge for a short train. I just watched Grandpa Rail's video, and he has one that's 80 feet long. Well, we can go you a little bit better than that. I don't have a tape measure, but coupler to coupler. Let's see if we can move this thing down here a little bit. And hopefully this is going to focus in a little bit. And you can see we are at 73 feet coupler to coupler. So I think we got you beat there, Grandpa. But Ian, this is a fun little challenge to do. And so we appreciate that. And I hope you guys like the little short train here. And yes, this is a DC powered locomotive. It does not have sound, but it is DCC. So you guys, there we go. A nice little short one. And we're going to give you one better here. We're going to change things around a little bit. So hang tight. Let's pan this back. We'll take the caboose off, and we'll put another passenger car on here. And then we'll do some remeasuring. From back here at the end of the coupler, actually let's get more precise here. From the coupler end to the coupler end. See if we can focus in here. Now we are about same distance, 73 feet. So either way you go, whether it's a caboose or a complete passenger train, we still got a nice little short one here. So Ian, thanks for the challenge, and we will talk at you all later. This is Joe from the Black Rock Central Railroad. Let's see what you got. Bye for now.